Good morning children. Let us continue chapter 8, that is exercise 8.6. Last class we have solved exercise 8.6 question number 1, that was MCQ, and we have completed question number 1. Now today we will see find the LCM by prime factorization method, that is question number 2. Yesterday I told you first we will write this number in this line and find out their prime factor. Now 8 is even number, so smallest prime number is 2. So it is divisible by 2. 2 4 ja 8. We will write here quotient only. Okay, then again 2 2 ja 4. Then 2 1 ja 2. Clear? Now it is 12. It is also divisible by 2. 2 6 ja 12. 2 3 ja 6 and 3 1 ja 3. Now we will write the factor of this number. 2 into 2 into 2. And 12 is 2 into 2 into 3. Now here LCM of 8 and 12. Now yesterday I told you which prime number is more time repeated. Maximum number of repetition is there, that you will take. Here 2 is 3 times and 3 is only 1 time. So 3 times you will write 2 and then 3. Now multiply it. 2 2 ja 4. And 2 3 ja 6, 4 6 ja 24. So this is the LCM of the given number, that is 8 and 12. Next question is 25 and 30. Again we will find out their prime factor, 25 and 30. Now 25 is odd number, but it is divisible by 5 only. So we will take 5. 5 5 ja 25. When you will divide this 25 by 5, we will get quotient 5. So quotient we will write here. Then again 5 1 ja 5. Similarly here it is even number, so it is also divisible by 2. When you will divide this 30 by 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 5 ja 10. 15 will come. 15 is not divisible by 2. So we will take next prime number is 3. In 3 table 15 will come 5 times. 3 5 ja 15. Now 5 is not divisible by 3. 5 is divisible by 5. So 5 1 ja 5. Now prime factor of 25 is 5 into 5 and 30 is 2 into 3 into 5. Now here we will write LCM of 25 and 30 is equal to, here maximum number of 5 is 2 times and 2 and 3 is only 1 time. So we will write maximum number of 5 2 times, then 2 1 time and 3 1 time. Multiply it. 2 5 5 ja 25, then 2 3 ja 6. 6 5 ja 30, 0, 3 carry, 6 2 ja 12, 12 plus 3 is 15. So this is the answer. So understood? The LCM of 25 and 30 is 150. Clear? Now we will see the next question, that is your question number 3. Here question number 3 having 3 digits. Question number 3 is having 3 digits. Question number 3, that is 12, 18 and 36. So first find out the prime factor of 12, then 18, then 36. Now 12, so smallest prime number is 2. 12 is exactly divisible by 2. 2 6 ja 12. Then 2 3 ja 6. Now 3 is divisible by 3. 3 1 ja 3. Next number is 18. It is also divisible by 2. 2 9 ja 18. Then 3 3 ja 9. Then 3 1 ja 3. Clear? Now it is also even number, so it is divisible by 2. 2 1 ja 2. 2 8 ja 16. Now in 2 table 18 will come 9 times. Now 9 is not divisible by 2, so we will take 3. 3 3 ja 9. Then 3 1 ja 3. Now you will write here 12, 2 times 2 and 3. Here 18, 2 into 3 into 3. Then 36, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now we will write the maximum number of which prime number is repeated, that we will choose. LCM of 12, 18 and 36 is equal to Here you will see 2 times 2. Okay. So maximum 2 times 2 is there. And then 3 is maximum 2 times. Understood? So over, now here also 3 is 2 times. So we will write 2 times 2 and 2 times 3. 2 2 ja 4, 3 3 ja 9. So 4 9 ja 36. 36 is the LCM of 12, 18 and 36. Understood? Now next question is 4. 4 is also 2 digit. So you will try to do this. I am solving that number 9. You will do this. It is same. Number 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 2 digits are there. Okay. One more question we will do here. That is number 9. 15, 25 and 30. 15, 25, 30. Now it is divisible by 3. 3 5 ja 15. 5 1 ja 5. 25 is divisible by 5. So 5 5 ja 25. Then 5 1 ja 5. We can't take here 2 and 3 because it is not divisible by 2 and 3. Now 30 is divisible by 2. So we will take 2. 2 1 ja 2. 2 5 ja 10. 15 is not divisible by 2. So we will take next number is 3. 3 5 ja 15. Then 5 1 ja 5. Now prime factor of 15 is 3 into 5. 25 is 5 into 5 into 1. And 30 is 2 into 3 into 5. Now LCM of 15, 25 and 30 is equal to. Now maximum number of 5 is 2 times here. Then 1 time 2 and 1 time 3. So 5 into 5. Then 2 into 3. Always keep in your mind, children, maximum number of prime number is repeated that you will take. Here 5 is 2 times, here 1 time only. So 2 times you will take 5. And then 2 1 time and 3 1 time. Okay, 5 5 ja 25, 2 3 ja 6. 6 5 ja 30, 0, 3 carry, 6 2 ja 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. So 150 is the LCM of the given number, that is 15, 25 and 30. Understood? Now next question we will see. That is same. It is your question number 10. 3 digits it is given. 11 is also. 12 is also. So you will try to do that question number 10, 11, 12. Each question you will try to do. Now we will see the short division method. Okay. That method which I am telling you and solving, how to solve by short division method. This method you will use in higher classes also. LCM by short division method. This method is very useful for you for the higher classes. Now you will go in 5, 6 like this. Now same type of question we will take. Suppose 12. We will take 8, 12 and 16. In short division method, all the numbers we will take together. Okay, all the numbers you will write in this line. Now we will see if any 2 number or any 3 number is divisible by the same number, then you will take. Look here, 8, 12, 16 all are divisible by smallest prime number 2, so you will take 2. In 2 table 8 will come 4 times, 2 4 ja 8, 2 6 ja 12, 2 8 ja 16. Next you will see again all are even numbers, so it is divisible by 2. 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8. Then again you can take 2, 2 1 ja 2. Which number is not divisible, that number as it is you will write it down. Then 2 2 ja 4. Again 2 is divisible by 2. So 2 1 ja 2. Now 3 is left, it is, you will take 3 1 ja 3. Understood? Now we will stop factorization. Now you will write here LCM of 8, 12 and 16 is 4 times 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now multiply it. 2 2 ja 4. Again 2 2 ja 4. Then this 3. 4 4 ja 16 into 3. 16 3 ja 48. 48 is the LCM of the given number. You can check your answer. This number is divisible by all these number. 8 6 are 48, 12 14 are 48, 16 3 are 48. So your answer is correct. One question we did by the short division method. One more question we will do by the short division method. In the exercise it is not given, but this method is compulsory for you. That's why I am explaining you. Next question we will take, that is 20, 30 and 60. Okay, we are taking question from question number 2. Okay, just we did in the prime factorization of by the prime factorization method. Similarly, short division method we are taking the same question, but we are solving in other method. Now all are even numbers, so it is divisible by 2. We will take the smallest prime number 2. 2 10 are 20. When you will divide this 30, you will get 15, and this will be 30. Again it is divisible by 2. 2 5 are 10. 15 is not divisible, so you will write 15. And this 30, when you will divide it by 2, 15 will come. Continuously we are writing the quotient. Now next number, these are the odd numbers, so it is divisible by 3. 5 is not divisible, so as it is you will write 15, 3 5 are 15, 3 5 are 15. Now all 5 is divisible by 5. Understood? Now LCM of 20, 30 and 60. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. This number you will write in multiplication form. 2 2 are 4, 3 5 are 15, 15 4 are 60. So 60 is the LCM of the 20, 30 and 60. Understood, children? Now thank you. Next class we will start 8.7.